Today we are going to learn about Mirth Connect support advanced search filters. In that we are going to specifically learn about metadata search filters and the operator value and ignore case options inside that. You can see over here. We'll go back to Mirth Connect dashboard and you can see I have created a channel with 4 different destinations and multiple values over here. I'll double click, I'll go to advanced search filter. When I click on advanced search filter, there is something known as metadata option over here. You might be wondering what is metadata. Many new people who are new to Mirth might not be able to understand what is metadata. So you have a lot of options over here like the type, MRN and other things. So metadata is nothing but there are options over here like the connector, status, received, source, type and MRN. So that is metadata. For example, if you want to search something with the name of this particular source, it would be very easy. Rather than searching from text, it search for everything. But if you are searching with something like source ID, type ID and metadata details, that would be very easy. Even we were using this custom ID over here to search. I'll go to advanced filter, I'll click on new, I'll click on source. I'll click on source and there are a lot of options over here. This is very important. So before using these options, I'll do one thing. I'll send one custom message. I'll go over here and you can see over here I'll just see there is nothing but sending facility. I'll change something this. So what is the good name I can name? I will name it as banana. Okay, and I'll keep it as it is and I'll do control copy and I'll send this message and I'll let you know how to search this particular thing. I'll send this message to all the destinations over here. Perfect. Refresh and you can see the source automatically changed to banana over here. It has reached to all the destination and the source type is almost it's like banana. So we have processed like lakhs of messages over here after the banana and we need to search this particular source type as banana. I'll go to advanced, I'll click on new, not over here, I'll click on metadata, new, I click on search, operator equal to, and the value I'll give as banana, banana, I gave right, banana, yeah, banana, I love bananas. Okay, I'll click OK and I'll search. You can see all the messages which are the source as banana have popped out. This is again one of the fastest method to search. You can even use the type over here. I'll go back, I'll go and select type and I'll click something known as all messages are ADT-A04 only. So A04, I'll do one thing, I'll create it as ADT-A05 and I'll search. I don't have any message which is a type of ADT-A05. What I'll do, for the explanation purpose, I'll search this to ADT-A05 and I'll process. I'll select all and I'll send this message. I'll send this only to one of the destination 3. I'll process this message. I'll come back here. So when you click on advanced and click on new, click on source, okay, and you can click on ADT-A05 and if you search, that message should pop out. There we have done some mistake. Okay, so the source, it is equal to operator as ADT-A05. We will select this. Okay, we didn't selected this caret. Okay, no problem. That should be the case. We'll search without using this. We'll delete it and we'll search and we'll see what is the source generally. Yeah, it has the hyphen over here. Perfect, and we'll search with the hyphen. We are yet not sure whether we'll get it or not. Okay, I'll use hyphen and I'll click OK and then we'll search. Still we didn't get. So what I want to do is like I will use the option contains. Contains means if you have something related to these values, it will be very helpful. That's how custom made this metadata searches. Like for example, if I am now searching with contains A05, we should get it. Okay, still we didn't get it, and we'll liquidate why we didn't get it. Okay, so we'll always learn from our mistakes. I'll go to metadata. I'll click on type as we are selecting type. So we are doing some small mistake in the operator and in the value. I'll copy the same value over it is. I'll click OK and I'll search. Boom, we got it. So it was a quickest search. If you have lakhs of messages, that would be very useful. So in the metadata, there are a lot of options. For example, if you don't know the complete value, for example, if you don't know to give the ADT hyphen, you can click on contains and click just give the option A05 and this should pop out. I'll click OK and I'll search. So this we got. For example, if you're asking me, it's already there in the screen. I'll go back, I'll come to advanced, I'll click new, I'll click on type and I'll click on contains, I'll click on just A05 and I'll search. We should get it. It's for the fastest search. Now what we'll do one thing. For example, if I gave it as small letter over here and click and search, we'll not get it because we have an option of ignore case. So even if we have multiple values, for example, if we are giving Sachin with multiple caps letter and small letter, we might not get it. So if I click on ignore case, it might be capital letter or small letter, it can take anything. I'll click OK and search. We should get it. Perfect, we got it. So we can even use the ignore case depending upon requirement. And there's an option of MRN. We don't have anything over here for the MRN. I didn't add any details. So you can play around with the basic type of metadata which is available in the screen, and you can select. And you have a lot of options like starts with, does not starts with, end with. You can search the metadata very easily. So that's the flexibility of using metadata search. And I'll tell you in the next videos on how to custom make this particular metadata setup so you can look into more values and search better. You might be thinking, right, oh, I have only few values in my screen like the source, type and MRN, and some people might not even have this MRN over here. So I'll let you know how to set those. Okay, that would be much interesting, and we'll look back. Thank you, see you.